makers, today you are going to print circles to make a caterpillar, or should I say a splatter-pillar like this one here. Now the only difference is your splatter-pillar is going to be a really big one. You're going to make it on this big piece of paper and your splatter-pillar is going to walk along that huge twig. Now, to make a splatter-pillar, you'll need all of these shapes, your paint stampers, and lots of paint. And that's why you're wearing your lovely arty party suits. So, Theo, Evie, and Enno, do you think you can do it?
Yes!
I think so too, my friends, but you must be quick. You've got to finish your splatter-pillar before Scraps makes this noise. Ready, get steady, go! Start with the head. That's it. Who's next? It's Evie. A lovely yellow circle. Well done. Who's next? It's Enno. That's it. And lift it up. Oh, well done, Enno. Very good. Well done. Well done. Well done, Theo. It looks good. Very good. Well done, Enno. That's fantastic. And now I think our caterpillar needs some feet. 1 foot per circle. Let's get the caterpillar's toes pointing forward. That's it. 1 per circle. That's it. And 1 on there, Evie. How many do we need to go? That's it. 1 more foot now. Can you do it, Theo? He's found it. Well done, Theo. Now we need the face of the caterpillar. We've got a mouth and we've got 2 eyes, and now we just need the antennae. Put it on. Oh, and mini makers, it looks like the branch needs to move up a bit. Careful not to stand on the paint. Ooh, that's it. Perfect. Oh, Scraps! Oh, time's up. Well done, mini makers. Yay! Wow, look at that. It's a super splatter-pillar made with lots and lots of colourful circles. That's one colourful caterpillar. It must have eaten a rainbow salad.